Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix Instagram, not selecting more than 10 photos. If you are facing problems with Instagram, here are a few simple ways you can fix the issue right from your phone. The first method is to update the app. Start by opening the Google Play Store. At the top, you will see a search bar. Type in Instagram and tap search. When Instagram shows up, tap on it. If you see an update button, go ahead and tap it. Updating the app ensures you are using the latest version, which often includes bug fixes, performance improvements, and new features that can resolve common issues. If updating does not solve the problem, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling Instagram. To do this, locate the Instagram app icon on your phone's home screen or app drawer. Press and hold the icon for a few seconds until options appear. Here, select Uninstall to remove the app completely. Once it is uninstalled, go back to the Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and reinstall it. A fresh installation often clears out glitches that may have built up over time. Another method is clearing the app's cache. To do this, open your phone's Settings app, scroll down until you see Apps or App Management, and tap on it. From the list of installed apps, find and select Instagram. Inside, look for the option called Storage and Cache. Tap on it, and then select Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files and unnecessary data that may be causing the app to slow down or crash. By trying these methods, updating the app, reinstalling it, or clearing its cache, you should be able to fix the most common Instagram issues quickly and easily. Thank you guys so much for watching, hope you got some value, see you in the next one.